Hello viewers, welcome to PT Online. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to open your business activity for who need to do Uber Eats, Bolt Food or Globo. He need to open his activity in finance portal. For open business activity, you don't have to visit finance office. If you have finance password, you can log into finance portal and you can declare your own business activity in finance portal by online. Let's see how to open business activity in finance portal by online. First you have to open portal das finances portal. Just type portal das finances in Google and you will find portal das finances page. Then click here initiate session and type your contribute number and your password. After provide your NIF number and password, click here authenticator. Click here authenticator. Then click here Amina area and click here Dados Pesos. Then click here Inicio. Click here Inicio and click here Cidados. Click here Entregar. In declarations, click here Actividade. And these three here is three options. Alteração de atividade, cessação de atividade and inicio de atividade. Click here inicio de atividade and click here entregar the declaração de inicio de atividade. The first one, tipo de sejuito passivo. Click here category B, then the third options, professionais. And the second option, código de CAE, you should type here. For Uber Eats, Globo and other courier, you should type here 53200. And actividade exercida. Here is the date from when you want to open your actividade. Year, month and the date. Here your annual income for the IVA. You can find your IRS last year or last year income. It can be 5,000 to 10,000. In Annex E, you have to click now, and the IR, the same amount you put here, you have to put here again. And here the first type of the operators, you have to put the first one, and here you have your bank IBAN number. and then contabilidade. You don't have to select anything, and the last one operação, the last one options. Just click here sim, and that's it. Just click here validate. If everything is okay, just click here, submitter. Your NECO activity has been successfully activated. For download your proof, just go to your finance portal again, and the same Amina area, dados de pessoas, and then again inicios or save services, and the service option, click here optar, and comprobativos, click here actividade. The last one inicio de actividade. Here you can find your proof of actividade. Click here, just download this or print this, and after declare your inicio actividade, you will get one letter from finance, maybe after 3 to 5 working days, and you have to combine your this proof and your the letter you will receive from finance. You should combine all together, and you can upload in Uber Eats portal. They will accept your actividade. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and stay tuned with me.